Hi, my name is Advay Agarwal and today we are going to do another video, and that is of how do gears work with a simple Lego project. So this actually demonstrates how gears work. So like now I'll just show you how it works. The reason why have I connected this yellow kind of thing is, I'll explain you later. Yeah. So as you can see, just take a close look at this project and I'll just move it and then just try to see what's happening. So I'll give it 10, I'll rotate it 10 times. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So did you figure out what was happening? So basically, when I was rotating this yellow Technic brake, it rotates the, the crank or what? Crank. Yeah, crank that is connected to this axle, and between the axle is the small gear. I forgot to tell you that this is part 1 of the 2 parts we have to. So this was explaining. So next video, next one will be how to make it. So as it was rotating, this short gear was rotating. This gear has got 24 teeth. Yeah. So as it moves, the 24 teeth are connected to the big gear's 40 teeth. As they are rotating, this gear transmits some power to the bigger gear. So basically, because of the 24 teeth are matching with the 40 gear, the 40 gear has only 24 teeth touching the 24 teeth small gear, and 16 are remaining. So that's why it takes more time for a bigger gear to do a full round than a smaller gear. That makes it also slower than this gear. Yeah, saying right, yeah. So, and as it is rotating, the 40 big gear teeth is connected to axle that is also connected to a 24 gear small teeth. 24. I just mixed it. 24 teeth small gear. Yeah. So as it is rotating, the same speed goes because the axles are moving the speed, making the speed. Yeah. And this small gear is connected to this big 40 teeth. So also, and when it touches it, only 24 teeth touch the 40 big gear teeth. So 16 remaining, and that's why it remains slower. Yeah. So basically, rotating this rotates this. These are connected onto axles, same speed. This rotates this. So this is the this gear is the fastest, while this gear is the slowest. Now I bet it is much easier by removing this Technic brake, because the crank is actually no. This is not a connector brake. This is a piece of a crank. Yeah. So now I just rotate it and you can see the speed. And I wanted to say something else. 5 rounds of this, a fun fact, gear teeth. 5 rounds of this small 24 teeth small gear is equal to 3 rounds of this 40 teeth big gear. So basically, so I think I'll have 1 minute. So can you see this mark, blue mark? Yes. So I'll do 3, 4, 5 rounds of this. 1 of this, 2, 3, 4. So that makes 3 rounds in total. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with the subscribe word written on it. Until the next video, bye.